Alright, welcome to the Audiogram Wizard demo. So this is going to show you how to take a clip of audio from your podcast, your radio show, any audio at all, and turn it into a social media video pretty quickly. So first we click into the Audiogram Wizard. Now I'm going to drag my audio file over here. You'll notice that the transcription is on, and you can set your language and dialect here. I'm just going to leave it as is. It's set to English United States. Here's the clipper, so you can use this to kind of adjust the clip to clip just the audio you need. Click Next. Now you can choose between landscape, square, and portrait. I'm going to choose square. Here you can customize the audiogram. You can move around the waveform, resize it. You can change the wave type. This is line, bricks, equalizer, wide round bars. I'll pick this one, why not? So now you can change the color and the opacity, transparency of the audiogram here. And the wave generation you can set to fast if you wanted to make the audiogram quickly, or slow, which is it'll make a higher fidelity animation for you. Quickly now I'm going to add a background image for it. Okay, and here's a cropper, so I can kind of select the part of the image I want. Crop that, and now I kind of have the general layout. So I'll hit Create Project, and what it's going to do is kind of upload all the audio and all these settings and create a project to put into Headliner. So that's coming up right now. This is all in real time. Okay, so now you can see down here on the timeline, you've got your media, which is the audiogram background image, and you've got the audio itself. And up here you have the transcript. You can see it says it actually transcribed perfectly. Audiograms are the perfect way to promote your podcast. Okay, so the next thing I like to do is style that caption. So I'll click Style, move over here. I'm going to choose Large Heading, and you can see it's white, so I'm going to change that to something else. I'm going to change that font color to purple as well. And then maybe I'll make it bold, and I'll click Save. And so now I'll hit play real quick, and you can kind of see there's the text and the waveform and the background image. So this is a very simple, basic audiogram. You can make one of these, and as you can see, in just a short amount of time. The next thing you'd want to do, if you want to export this for social media, just click Export. I usually like to bump it up to 1080, and there you go. You click Export, and that'll be done in just a minute. So I've actually gone ahead and pre-done this. So once it's exported, you can access it from the home page here. You just click on this little film strip, and it'll bring you to the export page. Here you can preview it again, you can download it, you can copy a link for it to send around for people to view, or you could save it to your Google Drive or Dropbox. Alright, so this is a basic intro to the audiogram. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you enjoy using Headliner.